How to uninstall Windows 10 Autopilot Update KB4532441. If you got KB4532441 installed, you may follow these steps to rid of that autopilot update from your Windows 10 PC. 1. Check if you have Windows 10 version 1903, OS build 18362.387, or a later version installed. 2. Go to Windows 10 Settings Installed Updates section and follow on-screen wizards and complete the uninstallation process. 3. Save your work and reboot your PC.